Hi guys, welcome back. Prashant here from Make Marketer. In this video, I'm going to show you some small tricks that you can implement with Facebook Business Manager and when you're implementing Facebook Pixel on your website. So what generally happens is when you go create a pixel, Facebook will give you the pixel, the code, and that code you copy and paste it on every page of your site. So if you're using a WordPress site, what happens is you can go back and use a plugin and you can put that code, and that code has to fire in all pages and it has to be implemented in the hit section. But what you can do is, rather than using all these plugins and trying to decrease the site speed time, or increase the site speed time, what you do is you implement the Google Tag Manager. So I'm going to show you when you implement this code, what happens is, you save the code and you deploy the code to Google Tag Manager and go to the website. So whenever people come to the website, what happens is the code will fire a hit to Facebook server saying there was a page view. That will only fire a page view. It does not fire any other parameters apart from that. So what generally happens is, if you pass this information, anybody comes to any page, what happens is it will only send an information as a page view. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to customize the Facebook pixel in such a way by adding one small snippet in the Facebook pixel. And this pixel and this snippet in the pixel, what it does is, whenever people come to my website, it will not just pass information as if it's a page view, but it will also pass the custom parameter, which is a referrer domain, right? Or referrer URL. So what it does is, if you're going to my website from google.com, and when you come to my website from google.com, the information, the Facebook pixel will not just share information as it's a page view, but will also send information as if it was coming from a referrer domain, which is google.com. So I will show you that practically how it is implemented, and the small snippet of code that you can implement on your website as well. So imagine this is my code. This is the pixel that I've implemented on my website, which is this website, makemarketer.website. So what I am doing is, generally, if you see the code carefully, you have all these things. But generally in the Facebook pixel, what you have is you have FBQ, which is initiating the tracking process. You track page view. So this is what initializes the pixel and sends this information has to be sent to so and so address. And this is what you're going to send. You're going to send the information as a page view. I mean the hit as a page view. But that is where it is closed. But what I've done is I've added a small syntax here, one line syntax, which is flower braces referral colon document.referral. And when I add this code, generally you don't have this code in the pixel, so I have added it manually because I want to pass additional information about the referrer domain, referrer URL to the Facebook server whenever a user comes to my site, right? So I have added this and I have saved this, and the code is already deployed. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to my home page. Now when I go to my home page, remember I'm going from shop page to home page. So what happens is, when I'm going from shop page to home page, you see the Facebook pixel helper here. If you click on this, you see there was a page view. If you click on this page view, there were some custom parameters also that were sent. And the custom parameter that was sent was the referrer. And how did it happen? Because I was using a small syntax or small extra line of snippet in the Facebook pixel, telling them not just record the page view, but also record the referrer URL in the domain that was along with the hit, right? So if you come back to this page, you see Google, right? The page view, the referrer. If I click on the referrer, it is make marketing. You see, I just showed you we were coming from shop to home page, and it was showing the referrer was from shop. Now, for example, from home, what if I go to one product page? What if I go to one product page? You see, the Facebook pixel will fire saying it is a page view, but apart from the page view, it will also fire some other info, send other custom parameters, and the custom parameters that we wanted to send was the refer, which is, you see, from home page it went to this page. Now from this shop page, what I'm going to do is I'm going to this product page. So when I go to this product page, again the Facebook pixel will load and send a hit to a server saying it's a page view, but apart from the page view, it will also send the custom parameters. If you click on that, you see custom parameters were also sent, and it was from shop. So what you can do is, when you go back to Facebook Analytics, there you find all those people who are making their way to the site because of the pixel, but there you can set up filters in such a way, or create an audience in such a way that you have only those people who are visiting your website from Google, which is a referrer Google, or you can only create an audience of those people who are coming to your website, maybe from YouTube. That means a referrer which contains YouTube. So this way, what you can do is you can create buckets based on custom parameters as well. So I'm going to show you how you can do that just by adding this one line of snippet, right? But if I go to my Facebook Analytics, there you have the option to go and filter the users based on the referred domain, and that will only be possible when you pass this information along with the Facebook pixel, which is the referrer. If you can implement this in a small trick, this will help you create additional remarketing audiences that will help you serve better ads to these people based on the origin of their traffic or the referrer. And this way, what you can do is you can drive people in a much better way and show them better messages. Thank you so much. You can try implementing this on your website. If you have anything like this to share, you can comment, or you can watch my other videos in my channel, Make Marketer. You'll find a lot of other videos. I've created a lot of videos about implementing the purchase event and sending the values along with the event. I've implemented about an AdWords feature, which is website called conversion tracking. I've spoken about Google Tag Manager and how to track buttons as events and what are tags, triggers, and variables. Many other things. You can kindly go through them. You can refer and implement them. If you have any questions, you can feel free to leave a comment below. Thank you so much, and I will see you soon with another video. Thank you.